Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can know if a dolphin has visited your Seamount home. So you'll see the dolphin image there on top of the lake terminal, but you will also get notified, so don't worry about that. I'm just loading to go to my underwater house, and the dolphin is right there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hello. But yeah, that is it. They can actually visit your seamount home. Don't forget to claim the presents that they brought to you. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!